I'm here at Cloudflare's offices in San Francisco. They provide internet performance and security for companies ranging from Cisco to NASDAQ. Today, they're going to show me their groovy way of encrypting internet traffic. The company says that this wall of lava lamps is part of what encrypts 10% of all internet requests. You see, the randomness of the shapes and the movement and the light and the reflection generate numbers which are all fed into an algorithm that's almost impossible to replicate. Now that all sounds cool, but how does it actually work? I sat down with the head of cryptography, Nick Sullivan, to get the lowdown.
We have a camera that's pointed at these lava lamps right here, and we record a stream of data from these, the video stream, and we send it to a system that scrambles it up, and we use that to help generate our cryptographic keys. We combine this with other sources from around the world. We have what's called a chaotic pendulum. It's very hard to predict, and we also have a Geiger counter for measuring radioactive decay. We allow that to be sent to all the systems in Cloudflare's network and to be combined with local randomness sources, and we use this for basically everything that we do, cryptographically.
So this wall of wax just floating around in oil is what protects tons of data. Now, why do it this way? And how did this idea come about?
Well, for one, it's fun. This is a really interesting, fun way to walk into Cloudflare's lobby and to learn about cryptography and random numbers and learn why this is actually really valuable and important for people as they use the internet. The more unpredictable things that happen, whether it's the sun setting at a certain angle, or a car driving by, or someone walking by, it adds to the unpredictability of this video stream.
Hold on! So you're telling me if I do some of my sweet dance moves, I'm protecting the internet? Life has been good for Cloudflare since they launched at TechCrunch Disrupt 2010. So what's next?
All the ways that different things are connected to the internet, we want to make them faster, we want to make them more secure, we want to make the world a more connected and safer place. So if you think back to when the internet was originally invented, there are certain things that, knowing what we know now, we would have done differently. So Cloudflare is trying to bring those things to what we have right now in the internet.
Dude, so how cool is that? The functionality of a lava lamp wall to protect the internet. Like some high tech and low tech coming together. I think it's pretty sick. All right, hope you enjoyed that, and see you next time.